Okay, so we're here today to do some practice left-handed shooting. With me I brought a few different guns that I could carry. Of course my Makarov, which is right here. We went up to my 357 Magnum Snubby. I'll only be shooting 38 specials today, trying to give my left-handed wrist a rest. And my 647 Smith & Wesson loaded with 38 specials. That'll hold plus P's as well. And then just for giggles, I'm going to see how I'm going to be handling my little mini revolver. So those are the guns I'm going to be shooting today. Okay, so that's the result, left-handed shooting. Okay, after the shoot, let's see. Makarov was the most accurate gun that I shot today, left-handed. Got the most rounds on target with this gun compared to the 360 and the 647. Okay, and I didn't even make paper with that mini revolver holding it in my weak hand. So, looks like I'm going to continue carrying the Makarov. It did shoot well, flawlessly, and I was able to rack it if I had to. Six rounds in the magazine, one in the chamber, is more than I'll ever need for any encounter, I'm sure. So, nothing like a little left-handed practice to bring you back to reality. Anyway, this is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.